So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add glow to images or the glow effect to images here in Microsoft Word. So the first thing you have to do is open up Word, then go to the top left here and press on Insert. Right beside the home button right here, press on Insert. Then go to where it says Pictures right here, right beside Shapes, press on Pictures, press on the drop down, and then select a picture of your choosing. So for this example and for demonstration purposes, I'm going to go ahead and select Online Pictures. And how about I select a random photo of, let's just use a bird, for instance. How about a bird right here? These couple birds right here. I'll press on Insert. Now, once that is done, if you want to add the glow effect around the image, it's fairly straightforward. Press the image right here, go to this top bar to where it says Picture Effects, press on the drop down, then go to where it says Glow, hover over top of that, then go to the right hand side, and you can select a whole bunch of different glow variations slash options. So, for example, if you wanted to maybe have a green glow around, you can go ahead and press on the green glow right here. It's now added. You can go ahead and press on the image right here, press on Glow, then go to the bottom. You can search up glow options, more glow colors, whatever it may be. You can maybe make this like light blue if you're looking for that. Whatever the case may be, play around with it. It's completely up to you. But that is pretty much how to add the glow effect or sorry, how to add glow to images here in Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.